Hey, if you remember in the movie Spider-Man: Homecoming, there's a scene where Peter Parker secretly mixes chemicals to make his spiderweb fluid. With his homemade spiderwebs, he can swing around, use them as weapons with his fingers, and even with his fingers, he can hold together a splitting ship. It's indeed that strong, this spiderweb? Well, it's a superhero movie. Anything goes as long as it looks super. But apparently, guys, it's not just fiction. According to biologists, spider silk is indeed very strong, even tens of times stronger than steel. Spider silk looks fragile because its size is 40 times smaller than a human hair. But if compared to steel of the same size, then spider silk is much stronger. If that spider silk were cleverly made into a size of 2 millimeters, it could hold 900 pounds or 900 kilograms, strong enough to hold a hanging bear, let alone for Spider-Man whose body is thin. This is according to Jim Kakalios, a physics professor who wrote the book, The Physics of Superheroes.
And that's just for a 2 millimeter diameter webbing. If he needs more, he just makes it a little bit thicker, and it can support even more weight.
According to him, the secret to the strength of spider silk is its structure. Spider silk contains two elements, very hard nanocrystals and very elastic polymers. These two elements make spider silk very flexible and very, very strong. And if you notice in this scene, Peter Parker creates a molecular formula to make a replica of spider silk.
So it looks like it is a set of organic molecules that he is using, and he's trying to combine them in ways to polymerize them, to basically take these complex molecules and link them together in longer chains.
According to Jim, Peter even tries more than just spider silk. He uses carbon nanotubes, which are rolled carbon atoms forming carbon rolls. If Jim is right, then this is the strongest material ever made by humans, 100 times stronger than steel, capable of withstanding a load of more than 20 tons. If this is true, then this scene actually looks plausible. The question is, does this material exist in the real world? Apparently, this was once tested at the University of Cincinnati. Scientists there developed carbon nanotubes and formed them into threads.
But you can see that it has a lot of strength. This thing is actually pretty heavy.
Unfortunately, this experiment was not intended for humans to hang from, but they did it to create a material stronger than Kevlar, which is a material commonly used to make bulletproof vests. So guys, even though superhero movies seem unrealistic, try to look at them from a science perspective. It's possible they don't just randomly create superheroes, especially as superhero movies are becoming more realistic by involving scientists as consultants. The key takeaway is that superhero movies can spark our curiosity about science. By exploring the what-ifs of these fictional scenarios, we can uncover real-world scientific discoveries and innovations. The research into materials like carbon nanotubes, driven by the desire to create stronger and more resilient substances, shows that the pursuit of the impossible can lead to groundbreaking advancements. So keep watching those superhero movies and keep asking why in Why Not Files. If you're into true crime, unsolved mysteries, dark science, and tragic history, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button so you never miss a story. We drop new videos 2 to 3 times a week.
Great job, Peter.
Yeah, Spider-Man!